वेलकम स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम फिर से एक कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डर सीरीज में एक क्वेश्चन लेके आ रहे हैं। मुझे किसी ने ये कमेंट बॉक्स में पूछा था, बट बहुत ही इजी प्रॉब्लम है, बहुत ही इजी प्रॉब्लम है ये। और इतना इजी है कि भाई आप सोच नहीं सकते कि भाई आपको ये क्वेश्चन पहले से ही आता था पर आपने ये इस तरह सोचा। तो चलो आइए देखते हैं क्या है इस प्रॉब्लम में। देयर इज अवेलेबल 10 टन्स ऑफ कोल containing 2.5% sulfur. Two coal samples containing 0.8% and 1.1% sulfur are also available. How many tons of each of the later two samples should be mixed with the original 10 tons to give 20 ton samples containing 1.7% sulfur? तो देखो बहुत ही इजी प्रॉब्लम है कि एक देयर इज अवेलेबल 10 टन्स ऑफ कोल, यानी हमारे पास कोल के 3 सैंपल है। चलो तो यहाँ पे हम लिखते जाते हैं कि वी हैव, अगर हम बात करें तो वी हैव 3 samples. We have 3 samples of coal. ठीक है, तो कौन कौन से सैंपल है इसके अंदर हम देखें तो वी हैव 3 सैंपल्स ऑफ कोल। कौन कौन से हैं? तो देखो एक जो हमारे पास जो है वो है, फर्स्ट जो है वो है 10 टन्स। देखो हमें दिया हुआ है 10 टन्स ऑफ 10 टन्स ऑफ 2.5%, 10 tons of 2.5% sulfur. ओके, तो 10 tons of sulfur, 10 tons of 2.5% सल्फर। ओके, नाउ दूसरा जो सल्फर है हमारे पास, दैट टू सैंपल्स कंटेनिंग 0.8 एंड 1.1। तो एक सल्फर जो है वो हमारे पास है 0.8 सल्फर वाला, ठीक है, और दूसरा जो सल्फर है दैट इज 1.1% सल्फर वाला, ठीक है। तो देखो हमारे पास टोटली कितने सल्फर हो गए, ये हमारे पास 3 टाइप के सल्फर है, ठीक है। बट हमारे पास इसका अमाउंट नहीं है, तो हम यहाँ पे ले लेंगे सिंपल x टन्स ऑफ 0.8% एंड y टन्स ऑफ 1.1%। अब क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है कि इट शुड बी मिक्स्ड, यानी जो लास्ट दो वाले हैं वो फर्स्ट के साथ मिक्स करना है, यानी तीनों को हमें मिक्स करके, ठीक है, हमें तीनों को मिक्स करके क्या बनाना है, वी हैव टू मेक 20 टन्स ऑफ 1.7% सल्फर। वेरी इजी प्रॉब्लम, वेरी इजी प्रॉब्लम। ओके, नाउ सी, सो इट इज वेरी सिंपल इक्वेशन। अगर आपको ध्यान में आ गया, इट्स वेरी सिंपल। वी हैव हियर, वी हैव टेकन टू अननोन नंबर्स, we have taken two variables. You can see two variables. So now you can guess, we can make a two linear equations. Okay, we will make a two linear equations. So how we can make two linear equations? See, so first linear equation we will make, that is from the quantity, that is from quantity. See, we have first equation. Now we can make a total we have total 20 tons of coal, ठीक है। वी वांट टू मेक 20 टन्स ऑफ कोल, ठीक है, वी वांट टू मेक 20 टन्स ऑफ कोल। तो हाउ वी कैन मेक, तो वी विल मिक्स दिस वन, x 10 x and y, so we can write 10 plus x plus y, all they becomes what, 20 tons. So now I can make a equation, therefore x plus y is equal to 20 minus 10, that becomes what, 10. That is equation number what, 1. That is equation number 1. Now let's make another equation. Now this equation we will make from the amount, but before that we have to find the amount in each of the sample. This suppose we have 10 tons of 2.5% sulfur, but how much 2.5? 2.5% of 10 tons. That is how much? That we have to find. So I can write here amount of, see, amount of sulfur in, amount of sulfur in 10 tons sample. First sample, amount of sulfur in 10 tons of sample. So very easy. That is what 10 tons of sample of 2.5%. Okay. So I can write here 2.5 of 10. That means 2.5 multiply by 10 upon what? 100. So now after simplifying, we will get what? 25 upon 100. Okay. We are not cancelling because it will be very useful in the next calculation. So we are not cancelling. Now let's calculate again the second sample. So amount of sulfur in now X tons sample. Okay, X tons of sample of 0.8%. 0.8%. So now 0.8%. So now we can write X into 0.8 upon what? 100. So that is what? 0.8 into X upon 100. Very simple calculation. Very simple calculation. Okay, now third amount we can find amount of sulfur in Y tons sample which contains what? 1.1% sulfur. So now Y into 1.1 upon 100. So I can write here 1.1 Y upon 100. Okay, and last, now we have to mix all three samples. See the question again. Let's see the question again. See, we have to mix all the three samples, and then last sample, our resulting sample should be 20 tons of 1.7% of sulfur. That means when we will mix all this amount of sulfur, it should be 1.7% and the ton should be 20. Okay, 2.5% sulfur, 0.8 sulfur, whatever the sulfur we will get from this amount, it should be 1.7%. Okay, so now amount of sulfur in this samples is equal to amount of sulfur in this sample. So we have to find the amount of sulfur in this sample also. So let's find out amount of sulfur in this sample. So amount of sulfur in 20 tons sample of what? 20 ton samples of 1.7%. 1.7%. So 20 into 1.7 upon what? 100. So it becomes what? 34 upon 100. 34 upon 100. Okay, it is very simple question. Now see what we can do. The sample of this amount plus this amount plus this amount is equal to this amount. So now we can make a linear equation. Now we can make a linear equation of see what. So I can write here a linear equation that is 25 upon 100 plus 0.8x upon 100 plus 1.1 y upon 100. That's equal to what? 34 upon 100. This is our equation number 2. Okay, now when you simplify it, so we can make an equation like this. 20 100 is cancelled. So 25 plus 0.8x plus 1.1y is equal to how much? 34. So finally we will get the equation 0.8x plus 1.1y is equal to how much? 9. This is equation number 3. So now let's see here. We have two. One is here linear equation of x and y, and second equation is we have here, that is this one, x plus y is equal to 10. And when you solve by the elimination method, when you solve these two questions by elimination method, okay, so according to that you will get x is equal to you will get the answer is 6.7, and y you will get that is what 3.3. So here is our answer. So finally we can write, so 3.3 tons 3.3 tons of 0.8% sulfur sample, okay, and 6.7 tons of 1.1% sulfur sample is required. What is our question? See, how many tons of each of the later two samples should be mixed? So these two samples are required. ओके तो अब वेरी वेरी आप देखो ये बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है, वेरी 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 इजी क्वेश्चन. ओके जस्ट it's a mathematical terms, otherwise it's nothing, just a little bit mole concept is used here. Okay, little bit mole concept, 2.5% of sulfur, that is the mole concept, otherwise it's very 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 simple question. Okay, thank you very much students. तो इसी तरह वीडियो को लाइक करो, शेयर करो, और इसी तरह के आपको कॉन्सेप्ट बिल्डर सीरीज में हम आपको ऐसे ही अच्छे अच्छे न्यूमेरिकल्स और प्रॉब्लम्स हम सेंड करते रहेंगे. तो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल, like and share. Okay, and we will make more videos like this for you. Thank you very much students. Bye bye.